Hey you guys, welcome to my new video. So this video is all about achieving the perfect red lip. So as you can see, my makeup is slightly lighter than it normally is. So I haven't done a heavy eye. I've gone for a nice glossy nude eye so that the lips are the central focus of my face. So wearing a red lip is gorgeous for fall, especially for winter and all your Christmas parties. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. So first of all, that's me going in with my Professional primer, and I'm just dabbing it on with my damp beauty blender all over the skin. Then I'm going in with my Bare Minerals foundation in shade 11 Neutral. And again, I'm applying this with a damp beauty blender. I did 2 layers of this foundation to get the fuller coverage effect. It is quite a lightwear foundation. And now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Medium. I love this concealer so much. And again, I'm dabbing that in with the same damp beauty blender and just priming my eyelids with it as well. And now I'm using my NARS concealer in the shade Custard just to give me some extra coverage under the eyes. I also use a little bit more on the lids as well just to cut out my brows a little bit. And it's so soft and creamy. I love the consistency of this concealer, and it really helps with any puffiness and dark circles that I have under my eyes. So I had a little cameo in my video. Ariana normally sits behind me, but I just saw her doing this and it was so funny. I had to put it in the video. Totally beating her face. She's so cute. Oh, change of brush and everything. Yeah. Then she realized she was on video and she got excited. She loves to play with makeup. So now I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in the shade Marie Antoinette. This is a soft, glossy, wet look eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's a perfect neutral gold shade that's going to go absolutely perfectly with our red lip. And I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. And I'm really just working on blending out this creamy formula. I wanted to keep the eyes really neutral, but I still wanted to give them a little bit of color, so I thought this would be the perfect shade. It's almost like a champagne gold. It's nice and pale. Gold and like a gold shimmery color will just go excellently with a red lip. And then I just pat out the ends there and add a little bit of highlight just to blend it all together. And then I'm just going in with my Full Fat Lash Mascara. I'm slowly starting to think that this is my go-to mascara. I just love it. I love the thickness and the fluffiness of the lashes. I'm making a mess though. Then I'm going in with my Hello Flawless powder. I really want to have a flawless complexion, especially if I'm wearing a red lip. And I just use a nice fluffy brush to apply it all over my face. I don't mind applying this powder all over my face because it has a beautiful luminosity to it and it gives me a nice glow. And I'm priming the lips a little bit there as well with my powder. And then I'm using my Urban Decay Beached Bronzer in the shade Bronzed. Just giving my face some shape. I'm trying not to go too heavy on the bronzer because I don't want to be too orange toned next to my red lip. So I'm just doing a light contour on the face to add shape and definition. Just stop it looking flat, but I don't want to have too much. I'm just doing a little bit of my nose there as well, around the lip. doing my bronzer around my lips is just to make them look a little bit bigger. Then I'm giving myself a jawline. Next, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Sin Palette. This is called the what does that say? Afterglow Palette. I'm trying to read that back to front there. And I'm using that for a gorgeous highlight, nice shimmer, just to add glow into the face. And then I'm going to add some moisture back into the skin using my MAC Fix Plus in Gold Lust. I actually love this. It's so moisturizing, and it doesn't have any glitter in it or anything like that. It's just really hydrating, and it has a gorgeous glow. And it really makes my highlight pop. As you can see, look at that. Gorge. So I'm just giving the lips a little prime again. I was just putting on some lip balm and adding a little bit more powder just to prep the lips. And now I'm lining them. I don't normally need a lip line with the lipstick I'm going to use because it doesn't have much fallout. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury in shade Red Carpet Ready. I love this red. It's so glamorous and so creamy. I love the way it applies. I love the blue undertones that it has. It just makes it the perfect wearable red. And I always find that if I have more of a blue undertone in my lipstick, my teeth tend to look whiter when I'm wearing a darker lipstick. Ariana in the background just went, "Mommy, I love that." Red is her favorite color. So I like to apply it nice and slowly so I don't make any mess. I like it to soak into my lips. And I just love that feeling of it. And then I just go over and line them a little bit more just with the point of the lipstick. And now I'm just taking a little lip brush from Real Techniques and I'm just tidying up those inner corners of the lips there as well. And just making sure it's all blended out and looking luxurious. There you go. How gorgeous that red lip. Don't you just love it? And it goes so well with that beautiful natural glowing skin that we've created and the shimmering eyes. It just all comes together and this look is perfect for fall and any Christmas parties, anything like that you have coming up. And red lipstick is really a universal shade. Anybody can suit it as long as you find your right undertone. So really go and have a look. Another lipstick that I love with a similar undertone to this is Ladybug by MAC. I love that shade as well. Now I have gone for such a light look on the eyes, but it was so worth it. And you guys should get this little lipstick. It's just so cute. I actually got this at Christmas and it was a little like key charm and they're great for fitting in your handbag. So always have a look on Charlotte Tilbury's website, especially at Christmas. You guys might see these coming up again. So thank you for watching my red lip tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you're feeling brave enough to go and rock a red lip.